Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used ChatGPT to help Laura do market research to become a talent acquisition manager. In this video, let's use ChatGPT to generate networking ideas for Laura. In this video, the topic of networking is leveraging her LinkedIn profile. Let's use AI to help Laura leverage her LinkedIn profile, and especially in highlighting her successes in talent acquisition and HR management. First, I'll give ChatGPT a role, as always. So I have this ready-made prompt here. Let's copy paste it and enter. Next, you can use AI leveraging your own LinkedIn profile, highlighting your own skills and successes in your own industry. First, you can save your LinkedIn profile in PDF format. Then you can copy-paste it to ChatGPT. Just make sure to leave out your personal information. Then you can adapt and use the next prompt. As Laura would use, so here's the prompt. Great, I want to analyze my LinkedIn profile and improve it to highlight my skills and successes. So when you try this next, please copy paste the text of your own LinkedIn profile and then just send message to AI. So easy. In the next video, we'll continue to use ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.